How to add a Common Ninja widget to Wix. So in order to add a Common Ninja widget to Wix, you need to head over to their website, which is commonninja.com. Sign up for an account, and from in there, you can just create your own widget. I have created right here this nudge button. So if you want to add this to your website, what you can do is you can click onto this icon right here, which is the add to your website icon. And then you should be able to show in here this. They have in here the standard and they also have in here the iframe option. For example, right here, let's choose in here the iframe and click on the this copy code. Once you have copied it, head over right here to your Wix Studio and click on the this plus icon that we can see right here. Head over to quick add, scroll down, and in here we have the iframe. So just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it on your page. After that, click on the enter code option right here and paste in here the code that we have copied and click on update. And then from in there, they should be able to create in here the actual widget that we have earlier. So here it is right here. So that's how you add a Common Ninja widget to Wix. Hope we helped.